Behind every efficient factory, smooth supply chains, and optimized system, there is one key player, the industrial engineer. Whether it's saving time, reducing costs, or improving systems, industrial engineers are the silent force behind innovation. In this video, I'll give you the complete roadmap to becoming one. Salary, skills, job roles, and how you can build a career in this future-proof field. Industrial engineering is all about optimization. It's the science of making things better, faster, cheaper, safer, and more efficient. From manufacturing and logistics to hospitals and companies, industrial engineers improve how systems work. Unlike mechanical or electrical engineers, industrial engineers focus on systems, people, and processes. Here is what industrial engineers typically work on: designing efficient workflows and assembly lines, reducing waste and production costs, improving quality and productivity, managing inventory, logistics, and supply chains, analyzing time, motion, and performance. It's improving delivery for Amazon or production in Tesla's factory. Industrial engineers are involved. To succeed as an industrial engineer, here are the core skills: process mapping, data analysis, Excel, SQL, Python, lean manufacturing, Six Sigma or quality control, simulation tools like Arena, FlexSim, project management like Gantt charts, workflows, communication, bridging between engineers and managers. You don't need all of them to start. Pick up skills as you grow. Here is a typical career path in industrial engineering. Entry-level roles: production engineering, process improvement analyst, quality control, 3.5 to 6 LPA in India, $60K to $70K in US. Mid-level roles: industrial engineer, manufacturing systems analyst, 7 to 12 LPA in India, $80K to $100K in US. Senior roles: operations manager, supply chain strategist, lean consultant, 15 lakh rupees or 110K to 140K. Top level: plant head, director of operations, COO, chief operating officer. With experience plus certifications, growth is unlimited. Let's break it down. Education path: 10+2, maths and physics, bachelor's in industrial engineering or production or mechanical or manufacturing, master's in industrial engineering or operations research. Certifications that boost career: Lean Six Sigma, Green or Black Belt, PMP, Project Management Professional, APICS, CPIM for supply chain, AutoCAD, MATLAB or Arena simulation. Want to skip college? Learn systems engineering and Six Sigma basics online and enter via experience. Here are some tools industrial engineers work with: AutoCAD or SolidWorks for layouts, Excel plus Power BI for data and dashboards, Python or R for data analysis, Minitab for statistics and quality, Arena or FlexSim for simulation, ERP systems like SAP or Oracle, Gantt Project or MS Project for timelines and planning. Software helps industrial engineers simulate changes before implementing them in real world. Industrial engineers are needed across industries: manufacturing, automobiles, electronics, FMCG, healthcare, hospital workflow optimization, logistics and supply chain, Amazon, FedEx, consulting firms, MC Kinsey, BCG Ops, pharma and biotech, tech companies for operational excellence, even governments, urban planning, public infrastructure. Every system with people, machines and processes need optimization. The future is bright. Why? Companies are automating. Industrial engineers help plan that change. Supply chains are becoming global and complex. Sustainability and energy efficiency need process redesign. AI and data need engineers who understand systems. Industrial engineering is becoming more digital, more data-driven, and more global. If you enjoy solving problems, thinking logically, and making things better, industrial engineering is for you. Start small. Try improving things around you. How your school organizes exams or how a small business operates. Always be asking, can this be done better? That's the industrial engineer. Kindogin IT Solutions, guiding dreams, shaping futures.
If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your fellow creatives, and please subscribe to EduGuide 10+. If you want to know more about career guidance, you can visit our website kintoken.live. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.